Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to dye items that I don't like anymore to see if we can revive them. I'm going to be dyeing this white top because there is a stain in here. I attempted to dye this top before, it used to be white. I didn't really like how the color turned out, so that's why I'm dyeing it again. I'll be dyeing this top as well. I was gonna get rid of this one because of the color. Just don't like the color anymore. Then I'm dyeing this dress as well. I didn't realize it didn't fit me anymore. I'm still gonna try and revive the dress. Don't get me wrong, dress looks good white. I just want to see what other potential this dress has. Then we're also going to dye these shoes. I don't know if you can see on camera, but they're two different colors. I showed you guys all the items we're going to dye. Let's get started. What do we need? First of all, we need a better outfit. Wearing white is definitely not a good idea. I would recommend just wearing all black. We also need a bucket. We need hot water. A little bit of dish soap. Going to dye the clothes chocolate brown. Let's start with this white top. I made it completely wet. Let's go. I totally forgot I was supposed to be wearing gloves. Yeah, so definitely wear gloves. Not only because of the chemicals, also because the water is super hot. Let's continue. I found that when you squeeze the product in the water, it absorbs the dye better. Next one. Might be a weird greeny browny mix. You can see the green a little bit through. It kind of looks like an olive green to me right now, which I really like. But more aiming towards the brown color, of course. But it has like that olive tone to it. Next one. This one doesn't really absorb the color that well. I'm just gonna keep it in the bucket until the end. So this dress actually already has a brownish color. It's more beige. Ready for this one. I hope I'm not making a mistake. There's no turning back now. I'm just gonna give up on this top. This dress is absorbing a lot of water. Here are all the items. All the clothes are washed, but before putting them in the washing machine, I had to rinse them first. If you don't, you have a chance of getting different shades of the color all over the item. You don't want that, unless you want to do like a dip dye kind of thing. Let's start with this dress. I honestly think I do like it better than what it was before. I'm honestly happy with how it turned out. I love how this one turned out. Definitely gonna be wearing this one a lot. Okay, so this top, it didn't turn out good at all. I don't even feel like the color changed. Really like how this one turned out. I definitely like this color better than the green one, so I'm happy with it as well. I was really nervous about this one. I didn't know if it was gonna turn out good at all. The shoes. This is how the shoes turned out. They look so gross. Two different colors now, even more than before. It's so noticeable. So there's two things I can do. Throw them away, or I can try and dye them black. That's how all the items turned out. Now I'm gonna try them on and create an outfit with them. This is how I styled the first item. It took me a long time to get an outfit together because the top is a bit small on me. So I wanted to cover it up, but I didn't know what. I tried all kinds of things. It didn't really look good. Then I found this and I paired the outfit with long black boots. It's still missing something. Now it's finished. Honestly, didn't really create an outfit, just put on some pearl accessories. Maybe a little bit too many pearl accessories. A cool detail about this dress that I forgot. This dress actually has pockets. That's why I didn't style it with a purse either. Who needs a purse when you have pockets? Next outfit, this corset top. Played around with the colors a little bit. Really like this outfit. It's a really good outfit for the spring. Last and final outfit. Lately I've been really into skinny scarves, I really only started wearing skinny scarves this year. I haven't styled the skinny scarf a lot yet, so I'm still experimenting with it. I really like this outfit so far with the skinny scarf. Or I really like the skinny scarf with a tank top. I just love this straplessness effect. You know what? I have to show you guys. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. I love just having like the strapless shoulders. Love the effect. I also have this blue one. Don't really like it with the green skirt. I have more, by the way. One shorter. Actually, this one wasn't really meant for that. This one I really bought for in my hair. I like this one, but my all-time favorite is the first one I showed you guys. This one's so cute. Honestly, this one is my first. No, I can't pick between these two, but I can say that the tank top looks better with this one. This one looks better with the long coat. But this is totally off subject. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Like I said, that was the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching and making it all the way to the end. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe for more. I will see you guys next time. Bye!